What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on the way to Bimmerfest. This year not so good weather compared to last year, but we have a big stand, around 45 meters. We bring 10 cars, 5 of our own and 5 of our customers and partners. It's gonna be a lovely day anyways. We have a big tent set up and we are staying dry. Not sure how about the weather. Right now it's raining, hopefully it will be better later today, but despite that we hope for a nice show, of course. Yeah, heading to the venue. Our colleagues are, our friends are behind us in the other cars. So we're bringing a few cars that we're going to show you in a few minutes, of course. And then also show you some B-roll of the show. Hopefully we get to meet a lot of you guys. And probably we have already done if you watch this video. So yeah, let's head to Bimmerfest and see you there. So there we go, we are at the event, sun is out, we had some rain in the morning, but right now it's really nice weather. We have 10 cars with us, one of the cars have already left, so we are introducing you to the 9 cars that are still on our stand. Proud of our team, how our tent looks like, how our stand looks like, a lot of merchandise, and it's super busy on the event, as you can see, a lot of people. I'll head to the first car, which is the car from R44 Performance. So we have seen this car last year already, lovely car. R44 Performance is one of our partners in the UK who can also do the installation of our exhaust. The next car is one of our colleagues' cars, the X3M. This car has our single mid-pipe titanium catback, so it also has the rear muffler. Lovely carbon styling, lowered on Cobra Suspension, spacers on, and of course also yellow daytime running lights. Diffuser is carbon, side skirts are carbon, mirrors are carbon. So we've done quite a lot on this car as well. This car is our E36 from Quokkie. He built this car fully by himself. It is a big turbo on the M50 stroker, 2.8, 560 horsepower right now. Lovely build, sounds amazing as well. The deep note from the M50 is amazing. Lovely build, so it's on original BMW wheels. We have painted it in a gold color, similar to Works wheels. Heading to the next one, this is our BMW F80, of course, with new Dutch forged wheels, forged, lightweight, track focused. Of course, we have also done hybrid turbos. Unfortunately, we did not have time to also remap the car anymore, but really lovely how this turned out. Also done the diffuser, exhaust is of course really popular. We are now running the resonated catless downpipes, also a test soon to be purchased by our customers as well, so we'll also showcase you that on a later video. And of course our stand and our team, also 2 ladies behind the camera who are now filming for us. A lot of merchandise, a lot of customers also on the stand, and of course we also need some food, so Pocky is eating some food there. Coilovers, downpipes, coilovers from Cobra Suspension who are over there as well. Our friends from Cobra Suspension, of course, who are also introducing the products to customers here. We have a nice stand over here for Motech Performance. Motech MW4s are on the M8, M2 and on the M4, and MW3 are here on the stands here, and of course on our BMW 330e. This is the Motech MW1, Motech MW10, Motech MW3, and if you come over here, we have the full catback displayed over here from PSR Parts, equal length with an X-pipe hybrid. So this part may be also exchanged for a single part, which also alters the sound a little bit, but we display the full catback here with downpipes on the front. It's full exhaust from the front to back, and if we head over here, we have our BMW M8 with the MW4, 21 inch on the front, 21 inch on the back, Venturi, stage 2, catback exhaust of course from PSR Parts, downpipes from PSR Parts, but we are super happy with the carbon as well. From pack tags on the front, side skirts are still original BMW, rear has also been modified, but especially the wheels are making the car look so much better. And of course, performance-wise, Venturi downpipes also allow for the car to have 728 horsepower and 1068 Nm of torque. Heading to the next car, let's go. This is the M2 from Motech Performance, all the way from the UK. As you can see, lovely custom plates on MW4, 20 inch on the front, 21 inch on the back, with a full AC snitcher kit, also available from us in the Netherlands, of course. They are the UK importer for the AC snitcher brand, but of course we are their distributor for Motech Performance wheels. Heading to the next one, which is of course our BMW 330e, one of the OGs from the PSR Parts team. This is the car that we started developing our exhaust on. 330e exhaust was not available in the market, and this is the car that started actually brand PSR Parts and the PSR Parts company. Next to that we have the M4, also with the Motech Performance MW4. It's from M-Kits, so it's also all the way from UK here visiting our stand. Very lovely spec. Carbon front lip, carbon spoiler, so lovely modified. That's how we like it, of course. And as you can see in the engine bay, we also have a lot of carbon parts installed as well. Here you can see the Instagram tag from M-Kits UK. Here was a red M5 Touring. Unfortunately, Gntl already has left the stand for other things that we had to do on Sunday. The mint green BMW M2 is over here. Lovely roof spoiler, wrapped in a PPF in this color, so it's not a paint, but it's almost like paint in terms of how it looks like. BC forged carbon spoiler, carbon splitter, also done by us. The hood is wrapped in PPF, and of course we have a lot of brands on the side of the car. It's loaded on Cobra Suspension, has our downpipe, lovely sound and performance exhaust. Maybe you have seen this car before on our YouTube, but back then it was grey, matte grey, and yeah, right now it's shiny mint green. Off to our friends from Cobra Suspension. As you can see, it's really windy today, but they are yeah, having a nice busy day as well. A lot of merchandise on the stand as well. Of course, we are one of the biggest Cobra Suspension dealers from the Netherlands. We are proud to sell them all over the world as well. So let's go and see what kind of stuff they have. So as you can see, we are here at the Cobra Suspension stand. A lot of springs. We know this quite well because I used to work here. Spacers, lovely spacers. They have some new display models as well. Lovely BMW M4 and a BMW and an F22 right in the back. Also lowered on Cobra Suspension, nicely displayed, lovely color. Car comes from Latvia, I think. So they had a long trip just for this event, lovely. And of course, springs from Cobra Suspension, we know them quite well. So yeah, we'll walk you through the details at a later stage. This car, lovely BMW M4 with BBS, FIR, and of course also a lot of carbon in the engine bay. Maybe they will also be our partner for exhaust in Latvia. Who knows? Let's have a chat with them later today. So here we have the Kits UK BMW M4. They also will be our installer for the UK for our exhaust. So they are specialized on G80 platform, G82 platform, of course. They have one here for our PSR Parts exhaust. They will also be able to install our parts. We'll be also visiting the Gravity show in coming August, which means we will be at their stand as well. We will put our F80 on the stand probably, or the M8, one of the two. we'll put our car on the stand so they can showcase the product as well, the quality of the product, and we will see if we can also ensure that this car have a demo product of us as well.